Hello, hope you are doing well. So I will show you how to disable the Gutenberg editor auto WordPress. First of all, why the Gutenberg editor? Gutenberg editor is a powerful editor from the today date. So Gutenberg editor is a very powerful editor nowadays because many inbuilt libraries are available to access. Like I have show you. First, Gutenberg create the one page. Gutenberg, and just you click on the plus icon and many of the blocks are available, many of the patterns are available from the backends and library, and many of the plugins are available for the powerful pattern for the Gutenberg block editor. So this is okay, but whenever you not use this Gutenberg editor, so how to disable this Gutenberg editor? So I will show you how to do that. So first of all, going to your directory on the WordPress, so active theme. First of all, going to the active theme, so I'll just refresh over here, and my all the things theme is open in the Sublime text editor. So I will open the Sublime from over here. So my path is on the active theme is 2021, and I am on the function.php file, and just paste this code. I will provide the description below. So just save. This is a simple filter, and this filter return false means block editor you cannot access from anymore after add this code in the function.php file on your active theme, the WordPress. So I will just save and refresh over here. So this view is changed. So this is a normal classic editor. So I will provide this short code to the description below. So this is a very easy to add the post content, image, and whatever we change from the HTML, like heading and paragraph, whatever. So I think this is a best for sometimes, because some of the clients are not aware about the Gutenberg editor for adding the blocks and post. So this is very easy. So I will provide this code inside the description, and you can access as before. So if you have any query, please comment below the comment section, and for more any update, please connect with us. Subscribe my channel for more update. Thank you.